Ako kasi ang mamumuhay ng second floor. At Tita Irma, maglalagay ng, ano nyo doon, maglalagay din sila tiyado kasi ka-partner ko sila. Ito lang, ito lang. Kung ako ba nakinig sa inyo, sana wala akong kotse, sana wala akong negosyo.
Magastos ang second floor dahil ito mo, ang gusto rin mo lang ilalim.
Pag-uusapan namin ni Jove naman.
Hindi, wala ka.
They will message us. I'll double check the schedule that they sent, and then I'll message get your body. You can just put it on. And it's facing like towards the wall. Yeah. So foundation.
Where was the guy doing it?
I'll check the schedule after or while I'll check it.
But you would not be able to tell what's the first and what's the
Oh, the deserving. Yeah. Okay, we can ask later. And then I'll tell them to give you the extra cost.